Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we're going to solve ChatGPT error you're out of uploads, try again later on Android. Thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to know how to fix your out of uploads error with 6 best fixes. Solution 1. Check your internet connection. Most probably ChatGPT or out of uploads try again later error occurs due to weak internet connection. So, if you are having any kind of network issues on your device, then fix it by trying some basic tips like turn on and off the mobile data, turn on and off the flight mode, use a Wi-Fi connection in case mobile internet is slow. Try using the wired connection to enjoy uninterrupted and speedy Wi-Fi internet. Restart the router and re-establish the connection. Solution 2. Check file size and type. Sometimes file size and file type matters a lot, causing such problems. Therefore, it is suggested to ensure your file is under the specific limits for its type, such as 20 megabytes for images or 50 megabytes for spreadsheets. Also, verify that the format, e.g., PDF, docx, text, is supported. Solution 3. Clear ChatGPT app's cache and data. A cluttered cache on the ChatGPT app can also lead to this error message. Thus, clear the temporary app's data and get rid of it. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the ChatGPT. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 4. Update ChatGPT app. Running an outdated version of ChatGPT app can cause different issues including your out of uploads try again later error. You should check for the latest updates when you run into trouble. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section find the ChatGPT app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the ChatGPT app and try to upload the media. Solution 5. Log out and log in again. The next method you can try to troubleshoot this annoying error is to log out of your ChatGPT account and log in again. You will have to wait a few seconds before logging back in. A fresh login session can reset temporary glitches. Solution 6. Consult the app developer. When nothing works, try to resolve this ChatGPT error by contacting the app developer to see if they have any specific troubleshooting steps or recommendations. You can simply send the mail to contact@openai.com and ask for the assistance. So, this is all about how to fix ChatGPT or out of uploads try again later error on Android. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with others and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.